hold the egg basket?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go.
This one don't.
Y'all, it's definitely a pre-fall feeling day today, y'all. I mean, we know it's not here to stay. The heat will return, but today feels great.
Can I let them out?
Yep, you sure can. Oh, Miss Turkey gave us an egg today. Pretty ones. Hey, Joey, can you get some fresh water, more water for them? Yeah. Man, it feels great out here, y'all. It feels wonderful. No humidity, like 0 humidity. Let me get some basil. See any peppers? Sissy got a serrano pepper earlier, so we might not have any more ready yet.
I found a baby pepper that ain't ready to pick yet.
Yep, that one's not ready, is it? There's a few on there that aren't ready. They'll be ready in a few days. Oh, I see an okra she missed. She brought in the okra too.
Can I get that one?
Yeah, right here. I think that's the only 2 she missed. Oh look, there's a stray bean. I thought we got all the beans out of here the other day. Can you get that bean?
What bean? Where
Right
is
here.
it?
Right there, right here. This bean.
Oh, that bean.
Yeah.
Are they not pokey?
No, the beans aren't pokey. Yep, I'm not seeing another okra ready yet. I think this is all she missed. Hey, let's see if we have any figs. Oh, we do. Oh, goodness. Some of them are already turning rotten, aren't they? This one's definitely ready. Hold that one. We'll put it in the basket. It's ready. Let's see.
It's a little bit squishy.
That one would have been, but the bees got to it. Yeah, it's a little squishy. Oh, these are ready, Manny.
Which one can I
I'm watching out for these bees here. I better get them because these bees might get you. Here you go.
No, you can get that one.
Oh, you want me to get that one? Okay. I think that one's a little too far gone right there, but this one is ready. Did you put that one in? Okay, good, thanks. Look at how huge this tree has gotten, y'all. I don't know if y'all remember it. I think it was back at the end of spring or beginning of spring where I showed y'all that it was taller than me. Yeah, now it is way taller than me. Oh, I forgot I didn't unlock this door. We gotta go around to the other one. Look at these preview leaves right here, Manny. Those are fall preview leaves right there.
Yeah.
What's your favorite season?
Snow.
Oh.
That's my favorite season.
Yeah?
Because you can throw snowballs at everybody.
Yeah? It's pretty fun, huh?
Yeah. It's a drink.
We're making a cheddar, bacon, and chive quick bread to go with supper tonight. So I cooked up some bacon, got the cheese shredded, and the chives chopped up. I've got this loaf pan sprayed with some cooking spray, and I'm going to get some parchment paper to line it too. Okay, now we'll start mixing up the bread. We need 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. 2 2 teaspoons of baking powder. 1, 2. 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper. And we also have this fresh, this peppercorn medley grinder that we're going to sprinkle on the top. We'll whisk these dry ingredients together. We need 2 eggs. Whisk those together just a little bit. We need half a cup of buttermilk. Half a stick of melted butter. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and start mixing this. It's already smelling good. And this is pretty quick. It's just going to take about 35 to 40 minutes in the oven. We're going to make some pasta tonight with that pumpkin chipotle. Is that what it was? Yeah, pumpkin chipotle pasta sauce. We're going to give it a try. Now I have meat sauce for backup, so what I'm going to do is just cook the pasta, warm up the sauce, and we'll taste it. If we don't like it, we've got just regular meat sauce that we can use instead. We're going to have this bread with it. It's just me, Titus, and the little kids here tonight, Jonah, Sissy, and Manly. Now we're going to put in a cup of the cheddar cheese that we shredded.
Oh, is that extra cheese?
It smells like bacon.
Bacon.
No.
A quarter cup of grated Parmesan cheese.
Extra.
The cheese, yeah, I got a little extra. You need some more?
Yeah.
Okay. Now we're going to put in the bacon that we cooked. And I just went ahead and chopped that bacon. Y'all saw as I cooked it, that way it was already in little pieces ready to go. And about 3 tablespoons of fresh chopped chives. And that's it. We get this all mixed together. It's going into the loaf pan. Trying to make sure I get all the little pieces of bacon and cheese out of here. I don't want to waste any of that. Had a few pieces of bacon left over here. We're just going to sprinkle those on top. We'll do some of the fresh cracked pepper and a little bit more of the cheese. And that's it. It's going in the oven.
Yeah.
Okay, y'all, the bread has probably about 10 more minutes left. I got the water getting ready here for the pasta. What we're gonna do is go ahead and taste this pumpkin chipotle pasta sauce and see if we even think we'll like it. Because if not, like I said, I've got that meat sauce we can switch out for. I know the kids won't like that. Okay, it almost, and this is cold, so warmed up, of course, it would be a lot better. It is a little spicy because of course, the chipotle, but it kind of reminds me of pumpkin baby food. It would probably be good, I don't know. We have meat sauce as backup. I just wanted to let y'all know. I wanted to try that for y'all and let you know if you should or if you shouldn't. Now you know. It's kind of like a spicy pumpkin baby food. The professional taste tester is gonna come and give it a shot. He can tell y'all better than me. Go ahead.
Just so y'all know, I've been shoeing horses and I came in and took me a nap.
You're about to get woke up. What do you think?
I wouldn't do it.
Is it reminding you of baby food, pumpkin baby food? Yeah.
Yeah, I wouldn't do it.
It's spicy pumpkin baby food.
Yeah, that ain't good right there, everybody.
I'm glad I only got 1 jar. We'll be sticking with the meat pasta sauce here.
We've had some nice weather. It's
I
been
told
feeling
y'all.
kind of like fall.
I was telling them it was like a little preview of fall out there.
Yeah, I mean, I was at my last farm shoeing. Well, the last one I had to do the other day was a trim, and it was about 7:30, 8 o'clock, was it, baby? 7:30, 8 o'clock. And it felt like fall. I mean, I'm telling you, it felt good. But that happens every year.
Yeah, it does. That's what I told them outside. It's just a preview. The heat will return, but it's
It
nice.
is nice, and I love it when it starts. I'm gonna tell y'all something. You believe it or not, when I got out to pump fuel today, I could feel it in the air. Like there's change coming. All right, y'all, we're fixing to try this bread here.
Because we can't wait. We're trying to wait, but it's too good.
We can't wait, y'all. That's really great. That is so good right there. I like the texture too.
Good night, everybody. Good night, Miss Turkey.